Hello, my name is David Fox, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to get TikTok++ or a cracked version of TikTok with extra features on any iOS device running iOS 12 or later. So that includes iPhone, iPad, iPod, Air, whatever it is, Touch, I think that's what it's called. And yeah, so to do that, what you're going to need is a Windows or Mac computer. I see where your finger and mouse is going. Do not click off this video. I put a lot of work into these, and my watch time on the past few videos has been actually shit, with like 30 seconds or more. Alright, now with that out of the way, alright, so a Windows or Mac computer, a non-magnetic charging cord to plug your iPhone, iPad, or whatever it is into your computer, and that can like transfer data, and a stable internet connection, which you should already have because you're watching this video now, unless you've downloaded it, and a non-family or age-restricted Apple ID that you have the password to, so something that you can do that with. Right, so first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go over here, select this, which I'm going to put these in the description. We've just got to download this thing called Sideloadly, which you're going to need to get the app on there. So you're going to need to get TikTok in there. You just go there, enter, and now, depending on what you're using, alright, so you require Windows 7 or higher, so you click that one, or that one. And so I'm going to give this one a click, because I'm on a Mac, if you haven't told, but if you don't know, but if you're on a Windows or if you're on one of the Windows devices, Windows 64 or 32, you're going to need to click on them. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get File, going to double click it, and then we're going to just drag that one into Applications. Then we're going to go down a bit, drop that there, and give this one a little click, wait for it to appear, then we're going to run it. And it goes, oh, well, that might work on Macs, but in Windows you should just be able to run it as administrator. Should just work. Give that a click. It'll be like, are you sure? Hit open. We can close that. We can close that. And then we can close that. It's going to run. It's going to be like checking for updates. Because it's the latest version, she'll just load in. And there we go. So something else you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug your device in and enter your Apple ID here. So I've done this before, and so it's not giving me any issues. But then what you're going to want to do is after you've got that, you're going to go down to this one here. You're going to go to this link here, and I'll also put this in the description. Give that a copy, then go over here, click paste, enter, and then it's going to download something, and that's the actual app in kind of like a zip form. So if you were to actually change the IP out on the back of there to zip, it will extract the app. Just a neat little feature, and it's just going to install, so it shouldn't take too long, just of course depending on your internet. So if you've got really slow internet, it might take a while, so we're just going to let it install. Then after it's installed, go on here, get that, drag it out, and then we're just going to close that because we don't really need it anymore. Then we're going to drag the IPA here, you see it, into there, and as you can see it shows up. Plug your device in, you've got it all, so I've got everything ready. Then give that a click, and it's going to go, it's going to boot up, but it's actually going to take a while. So yeah, you also need to enter your password. So yeah, I'll just skip to on the phone. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so here we have it installing, and after it installs, you'll see it appears, and instinctively you'll try and open it. And so you give it a tap, and usually this won't work the first time, and you'll get some unverified developer thing. So what you've got to do, you've got to go into General, all the way down to VPN and Device Management, give that a click. So I'm just blurring out my credentials. You'll see your thing, you just hit Trust. You might have to enter your passcode. Then, something else you're going to do is go down to Privacy and Security, if it's like iOS 14 plus, and then you're going to need to go down, click Developer Mode and flick that on. You will need to restart, by the way. And then after you've done that, should just be able to go back in. It will work, and it'll be like, oh yeah, alright. And you'll see that if you get that notification, the DL TikTok thinger, then you know that it's been successful and it's worked. And yeah, so I just it wants to it will work. You can post really long things. Can't really be bothered to sign up right now. So as you can see, we're just able to swipe through really fast and efficiently. It's kind of like you're able to do whatever you want to do. You're able to post videos up to 30 minutes, or I don't know really what it's called. I haven't used TikTok since I found out China tracked you on it. yeah, as you can see, it just kind of, it works. You're not going to get, if you get any errors, just try redoing it, or like if it doesn't check your iOS version, stuff like that. Okay, we've reached the end of the video. Just wanted to thank you for watching. And there's a little skit at the very end of the video. It's a song. I've just sped it up. If you can guess what it is, post it in the comments.